Let me ask you something. What if you could learn a skill that's still new, still growing, and pay some of the highest salary in tech? That's actually what blockchain development offer right now. You probably heard about Bitcoins, NFT, or Web3, but behind all of that is one thing, blockchain technology. And in this video, I'm gonna give you a complete roadmap to become a blockchain developer from scratch. Let's start simple. Blockchain is a system where the data is stored across many computers instead of one central server. This makes it secure, transparent, and almost impossible to hack. No middlemen, no central authority, just code and mathematics. Now, how do you actually get into the field? Step 1 is learning programming. Before touching blockchains, you need to understand coding. The best language to start with is JavaScript. It's beginners friendly and used heavily in Web3 development. You should learn basics like variable, function, loop, and how to build simple web applications. Step 2 is understanding blockchain fundamentals. This is where many people get stuck, but I will simplify it for you. Learn how blocks are connected, understand what hashing is, learn how transactions work, and get familiar with consensus mechanism. You don't need to be an expert, just understand the concept. Step 3 is learning Ethereum. Ethereum is the most popular blockchain for developers. This is where you will start building real applications. You will learn Solidity, which is the programming language used to write contracts. Smart contracts are just programs that runs on the blockchain. Once you understand this, everything starts to make sense. Step 4 is Web3 development. This is how you connect blockchain with website. You will use tools like web3.js or ether.js to interact with smart contracts from a front-end application. This is where things get really fun because you start building real projects. Step 5 is building project. Again, this is the most important step. You can build a crypto wallet, you can create an NFT marketplace, or even a decentralized voting system. This project will prove your skill. Without project, it's very hard to get a job. Step 6 is learning security. In blockchains, mistakes can cost real money. So you need to understand common vulnerabilities in smart contracts and how to avoid them. In this step, it is what separates good developers from great ones. Step 7 is joining the community. Blockchain is evolving very fast. New tool, new platform, new trend, everything changes quickly. So, joining communities, follows developers, and stay updated. Now let's talk about time. If you stay consistent, you can become a blockchain developer in around 6 to 12 months. But remember, this is not easy. It requires focus, patience, and practice. So here's your roadmap. Learn JavaScript, understand blockchain's basics, learn Ethereum and Solidity, build Web3 app, create projects, learn security, and stay updated. Follow the path and you will be ahead of the most people. Blockchain is still early and that means opportunity. So don't wait, start learning today because the future is being built right now and you can be part of it.